Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Ko-Fi payout failed issues in 2026. So if your earnings are not transferring to PayPal or Stripe, this guide will help you troubleshoot it step by step. First, log into your Ko-Fi account and go to your earnings or payments dashboard. Now check the exact error message. Ko-Fi usually shows if it's PayPal, Stripe, or account related. Next, make sure your PayPal or Stripe account is still connected and active. If it's disconnected, payouts will fail immediately. If you're using PayPal, log in and check for any limitations, verification issues, or security holds. Also double-check your PayPal email address. Even a small typo can cause payout failures. Make sure your Ko-Fi account is fully verified. Incomplete profile or missing setup can block payouts. Now go to your transaction history and see if the payout is marked as pending, failed, or returned. If the issue continues, try disconnecting and reconnecting your PayPal or Stripe account. This often resets the connection. Sometimes it's just a browser issue, so try clearing cache or switching devices. And if nothing works, contact Ko-Fi support and provide your payout details for investigation. So that's how to fix Ko-Fi payout failed issues in 2026. Most problems come from PayPal, verification, or connection errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.